Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a pool table. So, let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black pen to draw the pool table. At the beginning, you have to draw something like a rhombus. Let's make the corner round. Now with my black pen, I'm drawing the holes. Now again using my ruler, I'm drawing the stick. Here's the white ball. It seems like I'm connecting all the pockets. Now let's draw its stand. Let's rack the balls. I'm not going to use my black color pen, rather I will use yellow color pen. It seems like it's not working, so I'm going back to my black pen. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using red. Blue. Orange. Cyan. Green. And now for the table, I'm going to use my green highlighter pen. And for the rest, I'll use my red highlighter pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.